Omni-Man's ability to fly is one of his most intriguing powers, as it defies physics as we understand them. Since he has no visible wings or propulsion system, we have to consider possible scientific explanations.
1. Gravity manipulation. One possible way Omni-Man achieves flight is by controlling gravity itself. Local gravity field manipulation. He may generate a personal gravitational field that negates Earth's pull, allowing him to lift off effortlessly. Directional gravity shift. Instead of traditional propulsion, he might alter his gravity in a specific direction, pulling himself through space. Inertial control. He likely has control over inertia, allowing him to stop instantly or change directions at extreme speeds without experiencing G-forces. 2. Electromagnetic propulsion. If his body can interact with Earth's electromagnetic field, he could generate lift and propulsion similar to how some spacecraft concepts work. This would require his cells to generate electromagnetic forces strong enough to push against the planet's magnetic field. 3. Aerodynamic field or force field. Protective barrier. His body might produce a thin energy field that reduces air resistance, allowing for smooth, high-speed flight. Control of airflow. He could manipulate air pressure around his body to generate thrust and lift without flapping wings. 4. Biological anti-gravity cells. If Omni-Man's biology allows him to fly, his cells must function in a way that doesn't exist in humans. Dark energy utilization. He may tap into an unknown energy source, like dark energy, to propel himself forward. Reactionless propulsion. Instead of pushing against something like air or ground, he could generate motion by manipulating fundamental forces. 5. Spaceflight adaptation. Omni-Man can also fly in space where gravity and air are absent. This means he does not rely on lift like birds or planes. His flight mechanism works independent of external forces, further supporting the idea of gravitational or inertia control.
Conclusion. Omni-Man's flight most likely comes from a combination of gravity manipulation, inertial control, and possibly electromagnetic interactions. If such a power existed in real life, it would require an entirely new understanding of physics beyond our current models.
Subscribe!